I did it for the video.
You did. I'm so proud of you.
I can't feel parts of it.
But
Okay.
put them in a high position.
In a high position. What do you mean? So what we decided to do, didn't we? We decided to film the 12 days of Christmas preparation.
Oh yes.
And so tomorrow is the 12th of December. And so you're so concentrated.
I'm listening.
We will be filming a little bit every day of what we are doing and how we are preparing.
It's almost like some sort of a vlog.
It's like a Christmas vlog
Indeed.
sort of thing, but I'm not gonna upload a video every day because that's just way too much. But we will be
Now and then, so to say.
yeah, exactly. I think I'm gonna have like 2-3 videos out of it, but that's what we're gonna do and show how a Christmas in Sweden looks like.
How about we do some baking, perhaps some tree making, decorating.
Yeah, we will do all those things. We will definitely do all those things.
Okay.
Like definitely. But yeah, it's gonna be some tree decorating. We will get the tree, by the way, next weekend, and that's when we will start to decorate it. These boxes are here to. These are the decorations and my backpack next to it because I'm a lazy one, so I forgot to take my stuff where they belong.
Yeah, but it's not that much.
No.
That's it.
Yeah. And that's my pillow here. Hello. Yes, so that's what we will be doing, and today is the first day when we are doing stuff. I think I'm gonna just upload this video to explain what's going on. And yes, but I can't turn around the video. I would have to stop it. No, I don't wanna cut videos.
Yeah, just upload it as it is.
So that's what's gonna happen now, and we will probably now I'm gonna release one video still from our biking tour back in end of October, and then the next videos will come up as our preparations. So that's what's gonna happen.
So from October.
Yeah.
Yes.
So and then the upcoming ones are Christmas themed. We also might go shopping, might go into Christmas market, go around. We will definitely go walking with fresh snow. And we will definitely have one walk with your parents on Christmas Eve. That's gonna be included.
Yeah, but that's tradition.
Exactly, that we have to do in the beautiful neighborhood.
Yes.
So these are the things we will do, right?
So you meet Mama Dennis, Mama?
Not Mama Dennis, but actual Mama Dennis.
And I guess it makes Grandpa, and I know Grandma Dennis.
Why? No, you are Momma Dennis, and she is Mama Dennis.
Okay, you mean like that.
Yes. And she is a very nice one. And Papa Dennis, he is also very nice.
Yeah, that's Papa Dennis, yeah.
That's Papa Dennis. So that's what's gonna come up in the coming up in the upcoming video. That's when I don't have when I don't have a written script. This is how I sound.
It's up.
It's coming up in the upcoming videos.
All the way up.
Yes. And now, just one more time, I'm gonna show how beautiful it is outside. Now I'm gonna show the egg. We got egged. It is wonderful outside. I got snowflakes in my eyes and mouth. So, see you guys soon.